Hi everyone, this is Abigail Smith, and I did my research on 21st Century Cyber Charter School in Massachusetts. So the school's mission, as you can easily find on their website, they say 21st Century Cyber Charter School is committed to providing a student-focused cyber education in an encouraging, flexible, and innovative environment where students and families are engaged in a community with caring and dedicated educators. They mention that all of the teachers are board certified in the state of Pennsylvania, and it is online, but it is still continuing to be a rigorous curriculum so that students will be successful in their life after school. For organizational structure, students are able to work at their own pace through their curriculum for their classes. Communication is on the students, meaning if they need help with a specific assignment or if they need some additional accommodations during class that the teacher may not know about, it's up to them to get that message across to their teachers so that they can be as successful as they would like. Teachers are there to help with organization and progress, so they make themselves available during the day because, as the website mentions, organization and time management can be the most stressful parts of switching to an online school. The schedules vary based on choices, so a student throughout the day will not have to do activities for each class, but can decide if they want to work mainly on one class or a little bit of each. Each class has a syllabus posted online. Teachers provide lessons to guide through assignments, and the websites for their classes are set up through links and in different chunks and modules so that it's very clear what they're supposed to do and in what order. This quote comes from the website and notes that teachers are available in their virtual offices from 7:30 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. That is for live support. There is virtual class held every week for every course. This is helpful for students to ask questions, participate in group discussions, and if you're not able to make it, you can view it at a later time. This is an example of a student's schedule that they designed by themselves. So this student decided that they were going to work a little bit on each subject that day. So complete a lesson, do an assignment for each class. Regulatory environment, as I mentioned, each class is one live meeting a week, and if the student cannot make it, it is recorded and posted so they can see it later. And although students are learning online, there are still many opportunities for interactions within the community. There is on-site tutoring available for students, field trips, community nights, and a bunch of different events that students are updated. Scope of offerings, there are honors level classes offered for students that are demonstrating that they're capable. There are opportunities for club sports, other extracurricular activities. All supplies are provided for each student, including textbooks, materials needed for specific classes, such as if you're taking a digital photography class, they will provide a camera for you. And they also mention using internet monitoring software, so even though you're not in a building with them, they still have the ability to monitor the website students are going to in order to create a safer environment. And there are also academic advisors for each student to help with skills such as time management. On the website, there is a tab called 5 Myths Busted About Cyber Charter Schools. This is under the Parents tab. Myths 1, 2, and 4 seemed to be the most important to me. It's a school of choice. They accept every student that would like to go there. They have many opportunities for academic challenges in class and as well as out-of-school extracurricular activities. The effectiveness of website from a parent's point of view. They talk about having a Moodle account, which I was not able to access because I'm not part of the school community. But they mentioned that this is helpful for students and parents alike, for parents to get information about field trips, class updates, things like that. And the school makes it very clear on the website that parents are not expected to be teachers of the curriculum. The staff is focused on academics. Parents are encouraged to be there when they need help. However, they are really putting the responsibility on the school to get that education across. Parents are also invited to field trips and community outreach. The website is very easy to use. There are a lot of tabs on the website specifically geared towards parents, why to choose them. It's a great website for them. It's also a very effective website for students. It's really easy to find the wide range of clubs and activities such as National Honor Society, American Sign Language, Architecture Club, Lego Club, and many, many more. Really easy to navigate, get updates on all the clubs and activities, and again with Moodle, they get access to field trips, department trips, adventure clubs, community outreach programs. It's very easy for students to find that. Thank you.